Hi guys, Mrs. Ehlke here today. Today I am doing a picture with Olivia, who is 6 years old, and she really wanted to draw some guinea pigs. So we decided to make some guinea pig drawings. Now I obviously went for a traditional color. She wanted hers to be a little more wild and fun. And so you see our fun little guinea pig drawings. So follow along with us if you would like to draw a guinea pig too. And we hope you have fun with this tutorial. See you later. So Olivia and I are ready to start our guinea pig drawing. And what I'm going to do is make a couple guidelines to kind of help me know which way I want to start off with. So the first line is going to be way up here at the top of my paper. This is going to be the top of the head. Good. Then I'm going to make a line that comes all the way down. Like this is the middle of the paper. I'm going to go a little bit farther than the middle of the paper. And this is going to be the chin of the guinea pig. So make a little line for the chin. And then on the very bottom here, not quite all the way down, but close, I'm going to make a line for the bottom of the guinea pig. So I'm kind of mapping out my guinea pig before I do it, okay? Now, the first thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little mouth that connects right above the chin, just like this. Can you make a little mouth? It goes up above the chin. Yep, and then make a little line that goes up. See how mine has a little line that goes up, straight up here from the mouth? There you go. All right, then I'm gonna make a little section for the nose by doing 2 circles. One like this, actually they're ovals, and one like this for the little nose of the guinea pig. So right up here where your line is, yep, we'll make some circles for the nose. And if you want to, you can kind of put a little line to connect them like that. That's going to be the little guinea pig nose. And then watch what I do. So I'm going to start all the way up at my top line, and I'm going to go down and connect to the side of my mouth like that. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. So it goes around the nose and connects to the mouth. This is your mouth right here. Yep. And then go ahead and do the same thing. All the way down, connect to your mouth. Good. Then I'm going to add some eyeballs right next to these lines. So the first one is going to be right here. And the second one is going to be right here. Notice they're kind of oval shapes. Yep. Good. Now I'm going to add some of the rest of the face. And this time I want it to go kind of down by this chin line that you have. So it's going to come all the way on the outside of the eyes and connect down to the chin like that. Outside of the eyes and connect down by the chin. And if you accidentally make a mark, we're using marker. You can use pencil, of course. We're just doing marker so you can see. But like Olivia has this extra mark here. The nice thing about guinea pigs is they have spots. So she can just turn it into a spot later and it's not a big deal. All right, you ready for some guinea pig ears, Olivia?
Yeah.
All right, let's add some ears. So the first one is going to be like a sharp little line like that. 1, 2. It's kind of like a V that's hanging on to the side of the face. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side.
Obviously, because probably every...
Obviously. Then I'm going to go out the point of the V, and I'm going to add a curved line that connects down to the side of the face on both sides like that. So go out to the point, oh wait, point of the V, there you go. And curve down this way to the side of the face. Yeah, that's not curving down here. Curve like this, all the way down to the side of the face, like that. So do it on this side, right here. Down all the way to the side. And you can make this top part black so that you don't see that line, okay? All right, now we need a guinea pig body, okay? Watch what I do here. You ready? You see this line down here? We're gonna draw a line all the way from under the ear down to this line right here. Watch how I do it though, okay? I'm gonna start right under the ear and I'm gonna curve my line down like that. Okay, and the same thing on the other side. Curve it out and then go down like that. Yep, and I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to start on the outside of my ear and curve down. This time it's not going to make it all the way down to the bottom. It's going to stop kind of and run into this line. On the outside of the ear, outside. Like that.
It's like a car crash.
It's like a car crash. Something like that. All right, the last thing I need is little guinea pig feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go 1, 2, 3 like that. 1, 2, 3 to make some little guinea pig feet. And then for the eyes, I want to add a little highlight. So I'm going to draw a white circle inside of the eyes and then color everything else in the eye black. So that adds a little highlight to my guinea pig's eyes. Just like that. And then now we'll add some color. So a lot of times guinea pigs have kind of like a tan or a black or a gray color. They can be usually any of those varieties. So brown is another one. I'm going to add this kind of a tannish color, and I'm going to use it on the sides of my guinea pig's face, but I'm going to leave the center of the face white. You can pick a different color if you want. We're just using markers, but feel free to use crayons or colored pencils to add some color to your guinea pig. Like I was saying too, you can add little spot type sections to the guinea pig as well. They come in all kinds of different shapes, sizes, colors. Some have long hair, some have short hair. So we're gonna just color, color, color. Like that. Oh, you're adding lots of dots to yours. How fun. I'm going to use the same color to do the outside of my guinea pig. I think I'm going to leave the inside white. And then I think I'm going to use maybe a darker brown on the top part of the ears. Now, what are you going to name your guinea pig?
Hershey.
Hershey. We had a guinea pig named Hershey. She was so sweet. We loved her so much. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
And name this one after Hershey. Man, who doesn't like chocolate? You don't like chocolate, do you?
I don't love chocolate, but I love chocolate.
You love it, huh? Me too. I'm going to use a little bit of pink by my guinea pig's nose, just by adding a touch of pink here. And then I'm also going to use pink inside of the ears too. I thought that would be kind of cute to have some pink going on. Again, you guys can color your guinea pigs whatever colors you would like. Olivia's going for some fun colors for hers. So you can see we've finished coloring our guinea pigs. I went for very normal colors. Olivia went for some super fun colors. And yes, we are all finished and are loving our guinea pig pictures. You could even add a name or maybe add some pictures around them of things that guinea pigs like to eat, like some veggies, whatever. So we hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope we see you again soon.